Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura and I'm super excited you're here with me today. So today we're going to be talking about some of the items that you can use Blanket Safe to wash. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe down below. It helps other equestrians just like yourself find our channel, discover new products, and discover our product. So if you have any questions at any time, make sure to comment them down below or find us on Facebook or Instagram at Blanket Safe, and I will be happy to help. So without any further ado, let's find out what other items Blanket Safe can safely wash for you. Let's go. So that first item we're going to be talking about is the item that is somewhat common sense, is that Blanket Safe can be used to safely wash your horse blankets. Who knew? Blanket Safe was originally designed for that very specific care label that I'm sure if you've paid attention to that care label, you're very familiar with. The one that says, don't use detergents, don't use bleaches, cold water wash only, mild soap, yada, yada, yada. If you know what I'm talking about, comment below, say, I do, because that is what Blanket Safe is here for. Blanket Safe makes the job easy. So all you have to do, add that Blanket Safe wash in there and it does the rest for you. So the first thing that Blanket Safe can obviously wash is horse blankets. If you're going to be washing turnouts or anything with a waterproof coating, make sure to use our original washes. They come in the French Lavender, Free and Clear, Fresh Linen, Zesty Lemon, and Sweet Cherry. And then there's also the Ultra Wash that if you are trying to prevent any cross-contamination using a communal washing machine for other horses and pet wear, make sure to use the Ultra Wash. That will help protect your horse blanket from any cross-contamination coming in, as well as clean that washer out during the wash cycles. So it's a little bit of a two-in-one right in there. Let's get on to some other products that Blanket Safe can safely wash for you. So the next item we're going to be talking about, which gets me really excited, is saddle pads. Who doesn't have a saddle pad addiction? I think I have a saddle pad in every different color with a little bit of shimmer, maybe a little bit of glitter on this one, some logos, some without logos, different sizes. You know, the normal saddle pad addiction that I'm sure you have too. But Blanket Safe is perfect for washing saddle pads. You can use the original wash on your saddle pads, or you can even use the fly sheet wash, which gives the it gives it just a little bit more oomph, let's say, to your washing. The other thing, if your saddle pad has wool over it, make sure you're using the fleece and wool wash to make sure that you're caring for that wool appropriately. So the other thing I want to mention, because it is important with saddle pads, because it's something that we get asked all the time, is about the stain fighting in Blanket Safe. Blanket Safe is not a stain fighter. We've removed a lot of those harmful, irritating chemicals that are in stain fighters because they do leave residues, and those residues can irritate your pet or your horse's skin. So if you want to add extra stain fighters, that's on you. I'm not going to suggest that. Some people add bleaches and oxy-powered whiteners. That can leave residues on your horse's skin, and when that sun gets onto it, it will just bleach it in the shape of a saddle pad. I'm not about that. If you are, to each his own, but Blanket Safe is not considered a stain fighter. We have removed a lot of those harmful chemicals. What you can do, however, is pre-treat your saddle pad or any area that you might know might leave a mark with some Blanket Safe. Spray a little on there, rub it together, use your fingers, do whatever works for you, and then throw it into the wash after it's sat for a few minutes. That seems to help get those areas that could potentially stain cleaner before you set them with the wash. So that is the saddle pad. Next is anything practically without a waterproof coating. So that goes for your fly sheets, that goes for any washable girths, overreach, boots, wraps, you name it. If you throw it in the laundry, you can use Blanket Safe to wash it. Even if you do a lot of your horse items by hand, you can pour a little bit of Blanket Safe into that bucket and clean them by hand as well. So Blanket Safe is safe to use in replacement of household laundry detergents. We do believe that it is safer than using household laundry detergents, which can sometimes leave skin irritating chemicals and deteriorate the fabric. So anything that you wash typically, whether it's dog beds, dog toys, fly sheets, washable girths, boots, polos, wraps, whatever it might be, you can use Blanket Safe to wash. It will keep residues away, it will keep your horse happy, and it will keep that item lasting and looking better for longer. So give that a try. Things that you should not use Blanket Safe to wash. Don't use it to wash your car. Don't use it to brush your teeth. Don't use it to wash your hair or as a body wash. We are not that kind of product. But if you are looking for something that is safe to use on your wear, your horse's wear, your pet wear, Blanket Safe can safely replace your household laundry detergents and provide you with a laundry and a fabric and a clean result that you can be proud of and your horse, pet, and yourself will be happy with. I wanted to answer a question that I get asked all the time, and that is, can I use Blanket Safe to wash my magnetic therapy blankets or accessories or my back on track items? And that is absolutely. A lot of people are already using household laundry detergents, and Blanket Safe is a much more gentle, a safer option instead of using those detergents. As long as that item is washable, Blanket Safe can be used without a problem. Hope that helps. So the last thing that we haven't really touched on is the fleece and wool, and we do have a very special wash for that. It helps to protect those natural fibers. So while you can use the original washes to wash your fleece, we do love the fleece and wool wash to help it maintain that moisture wicking property. It keeps it new looking and shiny and feeling great, and it protects those natural fibers of the wool. So make sure if you are washing any wool to use that fleece and wool wash that Blanket Safe does offer. So as you can tell, Blanket Safe can help you safely wash your horse, pet, and even your own wear by replacing household laundry detergents. Remember, those laundry detergents are not meant for your horse blankets. They're not meant for your pet wear. They are not good for that. They leave residues which can be very skin irritating, as well as deteriorate the fabric and ruin waterproofing. So avoid those at all costs and change over to Blanket Safe. If you have any questions about Blanket Safe products or which ones are right for you, you can leave it in a comment below, or feel free to find us on Facebook and Instagram at Blanket Safe, and we'll be happy to help you. Until then, friends, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful ride, and we'll see you soon.